Our country's going to hell. It's going to hell. What the hell are we doing? Knock the hell out of him. My tax proposal cuts the hell out of taxes. I don't give a damn. He gets the nomination, they're going to sue his ass off. We'll beat the shit out of them. Let them beat the shit out of ISIS also. They're ripping the shit out of the sea. We're going to knock the shit out of ISIS. Going to knock the shit out of it. Whoever the hell bought this mic system, don't pay the son of a bitch to put it in, I'll tell you. You shouldn't pay the bastard. But it's political bullshit. She said he's a pussy. And you can tell them to go themselves.
You're not going to raise that fucking price, you understand?
Listen, you motherfuckers, we can tax you 25%.
What kind of people do we have running for office?
A voter first needs to sincerely know, and it sounds impossible, but sincerely know who that candidate is.
Yes, sir.
Holy mackerel.
Get him out of here.
Get him out. Get him out of here.
Yeah, throw him out. Throw him out into the cold.
Get him out. Out, out, out.
Brett, you're fired. It's in bed. You're fired. Ian, you're fired. You know what, Meatloaf? I'm going to make you very happy. Gary, you're fired.
While we're spending billions of dollars being policemen of the world, China's spending billions of dollars a day buying the world.